Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I just want to do a quick update today on the Wealthsimple Venture Fund. We had another dividend come through, so as promised, I just want to do an update to keep everybody updated how this investment is doing. Now, I know there's a few people on the channel that have actually invested in this, so if you haven't checked your portfolio yet with your Wealthsimple Venture Fund, log into the app. You'll probably see a dividend there as well, obviously depending when you've put your funds into the account. It hasn't made the first basically draw into the capital advance yet. We're still kind of waiting on that. From what I've been reading, it's going to be happening sometime, I think, in this quarter. But right now, it's just basically sitting in the Purpose US Cash Fund, which is the US fund, a ETF that pays a monthly dividend on those on your funds in that account. So let's just jump in the portfolio. We'll show you the dividend received and then the amount that's been reinvested into the Wealthsimple Venture Fund. All right, here we are in the Wealthsimple Invest App. This is where you're going to see the venture fund that you have invested in. So I have invested $5,000. That was my initial investment. That's all I'm going to be putting into this one. As you can see, the US dollar today, or Canadian dollar, is up. So unfortunately, we're only up $2.99 in the portfolio. We're actually up over 1% if I did this video yesterday, but that's okay. This amount will change based on the exchange rate, obviously, because it's based in US. The ETF is Canadian, but it's based on a US account, US dollar. So you'll see some fluctuation there, obviously. So the app is a bit different than the trade app. If you want to see the history, click on the history tab, and we'll scroll down. Our net deposit, obviously $5,000. Our total return right now, $2.99, as you can see here. And if we go through into our recent activity, you click see all, and you can see what's happened. So we talked about the dividend last time, $6.15. That was for July. And then for August, received a dividend of $7. And if you tap on that, $7.11, that will show it's paid in the PSU.U. That is that Purpose US Cash Fund ETF. And what happened yesterday, if we can scroll up here, August 9th, is it reinvested into that share. Those 2 months of the dividends puts through. It won't do the, from what I've noticed with Wealthsimple Invest, is it doesn't always necessarily invest your dividends right away. I've had some money sitting in the cash portion of this for obviously over a month now. So it's finally done, $14.47 yesterday into the fund. Now we can go back and just see in the plan. This will show basically, this is an estimate of what it will return. This isn't going to be accurate right now because it hasn't done the capital taking the capital into the actual venture fund right now. It's just sitting in that ETF. So this is an estimate based if it was just going to be sitting in that Purpose Cash ETF when I'm 65. So it's basically a very simple app, not a lot to look at in there. But if you do go down, you look in your portfolio portion, you can actually see this will be a custom portfolio if you're interested in this, and you can actually see what your holdings are. If you click on the other, it'll give your how much is in your Purpose Cash Fund, and if you click on the bottom one, it'll tell you how many shares you have. So it's a little bit of drilling down to be able to see what you actually hold in this, but I have 39.07 shares, which the performance on that is 0.73% right now. Just a quick update on the venture fund. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you're not subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. It'd be great to have you join along. We're rolling up to 1,000 subscribers, so it's great. Thanks for everybody that's following along, and thanks for everybody for your comments on the venture fund. There's a few people that I know for sure are interested in this, so I'll keep sharing these videos. As long as there's still some interest, let me know in the comments below. Let me know in the comments as well if you are invested in this one, to give it a try. I know it's a bit different, and it's a long term, I think, to lock in. We've talked about it before in prior videos, a long term to lock in your investments, but it works with my long-term goals. I thought a lot about it before putting the initial investment in, and I think it's hopefully a good decision I made. But we'll see. We'll follow along, and we'll see how this transpires in the next, 10 years. So thanks for watching, everybody. We will do another update of the trade portfolio from the TFSA probably later on this week. The market, if you're watching today, the market is doing quite well. Inflation right now in the States is down, and it's down a bit more than expected. So that's good news, and the markets have been reacting to that. So if you have a investment portfolio, it might be a good day to kind of check, and you might have a good smile on your face with some of your positions. That being said, if you are making any investments, like I always like to mention, I'm not a financial planner by any ways. Don't invest just because I have done something on this YouTube channel or any other YouTube channel that you're watching. Do your own research. If you have questions, reach out to a financial advisor definitely before making any investments. So thanks for watching. We'll catch you all in the next video.